Yo guys, it's Sam. I hope all of you are doing great. iOS 12.1 Beta 5 is out right now for developers and public beta testers, so as always, you can grab it for yourself over in Settings General and Software Update. Of course, drop a like if you're excited, hit subscribe for more videos in the future, but if we take a look at the actual update, it was surprisingly large at 200 megabytes or over 200 megabytes on the iPhone XS, which I thought was surprising just because we are pretty far into the beta cycle now. On Beta 5, I'm not expecting any major changes or features, and I didn't find any. After looking around for just a little bit, I was really hoping for new wallpapers just because Apple only added one official new iOS 12 wallpaper, but I checked, and at least on the iPhone XS, I was not able to find any new wallpapers just yet. But maybe again, some will be coming in the Golden Master version or GM version, because I checked and this is not the GM version. There is still a letter behind the version number inside of settings, and it's just normal beta 5. There will still be at least one or two other betas coming. At this point, we've already seen the two biggest changes in the update. We have group FaceTime, which is something that I am definitely looking forward to. It is a feature that I have wanted to see pretty much forever. Finally, once and for all, will be present inside of iOS 12.1, and also over 70 new emojis. You have redhead, bald, all kinds of fun ones. There's a frisbee now, so that is definitely going to be a major reason to update. I can see the public really latching onto this update because group FaceTime and new emojis are going to make this update a hit out of the ballpark. So when can we actually expect a release for everybody? Well, according to the verifier who predicted when iOS 12.1 Beta 1 was going to be released and actually got it very accurate, they say that iOS 12.1 is coming out for everybody sometime in November. And since iOS 12.1 has been in beta testing now officially for just over a month, I would say within the next 2 or 3 weeks is when we can expect to see iOS 12.1 released for everybody. And there's a possibility that Apple could actually release it a little bit early at their special event in October, which is in just over a week from when this video goes live. I'm super excited for that event. New iPads and Macs are expected, but for now we do have iOS 12.1 at beta 5. There aren't any actual changes in the update, but it should be coming out soon for everybody with group FaceTime and new emojis. All right, that's all I've got for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like down below, subscribe for more iOS news in the future. I've been Sam, I hope you're doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.